As coronavirus continues to wreak havoc on nearly every facet of the U.S. economy, concern is growing about what the pandemic may do to people's credit scores. Credit scores are finicky even on a good day. They're calculated based on factors like late payments and utilization, both of which could spike as an increasing number of people find themselves out of work during the outbreak. Luckily, your score is not completely out of your control, even if you're struggling financially. Here's what you can do to protect your credit score during the coronavirus crisis. Call your creditor. Ask about what programs may be available to reduce or postpone payments over a period of time where you feel this income disruption might get in the way of your ability to repay. Many firms have relief programs already in place for people dealing with the coronavirus crisis, but you have to call to find out the specifics. Accommodations are often case by case. Time it right. Contact them before, not after you miss a payment. Just be upfront about it. Say, hey, I've recently been laid off, or my hours have been cut, or I would like to make payments on time, but I don't know if I'm able to. Also, be forewarned that it might take a while on the phone. Customer service lines are slammed right now. Ask detailed questions. Inquire about what the impact on your credit score will be if you take advantage of a forbearance or deferment program that pauses your payments, or whether interest will continue to accrue. Also, ask what other protections can be put in place so you don't face legal action from the creditor to recover the balance. Add a consumer statement. Consider adding a brief consumer statement to your credit report. This can indicate you've been impacted by the pandemic and intend to make up your payments soon. Be smart with your payments. Learn which kinds of bills have the biggest influence on your credit. And remember, you do have a bit of a buffer here. Late payments are not usually flagged to the bureaus until the end of a billing cycle, usually 30 days or so. And lastly, stay calm. Prioritize the essentials. It's normally not advisable to carry a balance from month to month, but it's okay if that's the only way you can keep your family fed right now. Always remember, your credit history can recover. If you want to learn more about Money's coronavirus coverage, go to money.com/stimulus or click the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos.